Start looking for significant patterns, trends, nuances that give an indication of the general direction. You have to listen to what the data is telling you, whether it's an upward or a downward trend, right? A statistical fluctuation, or maybe a correlation, or maybe nothing at all for that matter, okay? See, finding patterns in order to draw conclusions is nothing new. Why, we've been doing that ever since we were little kids, if you think about it. Your fifth grade math teacher, let's say, writes a series of numbers on the board as you see on the screen here, all right? 42, 36, 31, 27, and 24. Then asks you to determine what the next two numbers will be. You know what? Yeah, I want to make this fun. All right, I'm going to give you a minute or so, and let's see who can be the first person to raise their hand and tell me what you think the pattern is and what you think the next two numbers in the sequence is going to be. Yes, sir. Okay, I can't see you. 22, that's correct. All right, 22 and 21. Very good, sir. All right, very good. And I think somebody else said 21 over here. We got some smart people in this audience. Okay, so we're all right. The next two numbers in the sequence are 22 and 21. How do you know that? Well, you figured out the pattern, right? Each number was being subtracted by one number less than the one before it. Starting with minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, right? 42 minus 6 is 36. 36 minus 5 is 31, and so on and so forth, right? But now that you figured out the pattern, made it easier for you to know, now we all know the next two numbers in the series would subtract 2 and then subtract 1, which is why these brilliant people here said 22 and 21, and that's why they have candy. Now, we continue to use pattern recognition even though we don't see it as such, okay? And if we are to become data-driven in our decision-making, this listening, this drawing of conclusions needs to be honed by questioning patterns. That is, are they linear? Are they exponential? Are they stationary? Are they damped? Are they seasonal? Are they random? Are they cyclical? Yeah, that kind of thing.